As a veterinarian, dental health is one of the most ignored parts of pet care and one of the most important ones. Did you know nearly 80% of dogs develop dental issues by the age of 3? And poor dental issues don't just affect the mouth, but they also affect the heart and the kidneys. That's why I really like Famina dental treats. They're not just snacks, they're functional dental care. First, the 6-pointed star shape and the perfect texture help mechanically remove plaque while they are chewing it. They also contain ingredients like sodium tripolyphosphate and zinc, which support oral hygiene. And the best part, they are available in mini and medium and maxi, so there's a size for every size dog. What makes these truly unique is that they support specific nutritional needs. We had NND quinoa treats which support things like skin and coat, weight management, hypoallergenic, etc. And they maintain the fresh breath. Then we've got the Wet Life range, which does not interfere with any of the clinical conditions, and they have options like hypoallergenic, obesity, GI, renal, etc. Each pack has 7 treats, 1 per day, and this makes dental care simple and stress-free for the pet parent. For me, it's a 10 by 10 functional snack. Good for the teeth, good for the health, and perfect for the human and pet bond.